Hi everyone, this is Rick. Gotta hold my camera steady. But this is my Back to the Roots pink oyster mushrooms. And I just soaked these just a few days ago. And look, mushrooms are growing. Pink mushrooms. Now I saw on YouTube, some people say they taste like bacon, the pink oyster ones. And I've never had the pink oyster. But this is Back to the Roots kit that I bought on Amazon. I have to spray it. I just sprayed it with this bottle that comes with it, just water, and you spray it about 8 times. And this is working. Those are mushrooms right there growing. So, Back to the Roots Organic Mushroom Grow Kit. I recommend it.